Good morning.
Morning.
What is your name?
Sudheer.
Sudheer. Welcome to Skydiving the Farm. I see you dressed up in harness. Are you ready to jump out of an airplane?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Do you know what to expect?
What do you expect? Feeling the air and seeing the around.
Absolutely. We're going to get into the aircraft. The aircraft with all its horsepower is going to pull us up all the way to 11,000 feet.
Yes.
That's 3.3 kilometers above the ground.
Okay.
We're going to jump out, fall at an average rate of 250 kilometers an hour. The parachute will be opening up and will be gracefully coming back to Mother Earth. How does that sound?
Yeah.
High five? Let's have fun.
Yes. Let's do it.
Climbing through 8,000 feet.
Yes.
On our way to 11,000 feet. How are you feeling?
Yes.
Are you ready for this?
Excited to go.
In a short while, Vernon's going to hook you up, make sure you're nice and secure, and then we'll jump out this door.
Yeah.
Enjoy every moment, breathe deep, see outside.
Look at the camera left.
Yay!
And then go. Well done.
That's good!
What do you say?
Excellent!
Did you enjoy that?
Yes!
It's awesome, eh?
Yeah!
Well done. Will you do it again?
Yes,
Of course,
I do
yes.
single.
Nice, yes. Woo!
No balls, but yeah.